Hey guys, this is Ryan with Burnwood Bushcraft. Welcome to my first ever episode of Cast Iron Wednesday. Out here at the base camp, I've got my grill, fold-out grill, and my cast iron skillet. I'm going to do steak and potatoes in the cast iron skillet. So let's get it cracking. Cheers, I hope you enjoy. This fire is super hot right now. It's been going for a couple hours, and I'm probably gonna let that die down just a little bit before I put my grill on there, because that is really hot. I don't want to cook my food too fast. I'm gonna cook a ribeye and potatoes that I've already pre-cut up. I've got some peppers and onions to put in there with the potatoes. But I'm gonna be cooking with oil and butter. I want to slow cook those potatoes because I know they're gonna take a little bit. So I gotta let this fire go down before I start. I am going to be sweating my you-know-what off. It's kind of angled a little bit to the left, but it's not going to go anywhere. So I'm going to let that heat up. I'll do my potatoes on the left side because the oil's going to run to the left. That way they can get fried up. I'll cook my steak on the right side. Yeah, buddy. So what I've got right here, I know that looks gross, but all it is whipped butter and vegetable oil. I had a little bit of whipped butter left over, so I poured some vegetable oil in it. I'm gonna go ahead and put that in right now. That should be a good amount to be able to cook these potatoes. It's already hot. Potatoes are still a little cold. This is my first time cooking in a cast iron skillet on the fire, people. Wish me luck here. That fire is plenty hot enough to cook these potatoes. And if I need to stick a little bit more wood underneath it, I can. So we're gonna let that ride, see what happens. Put the steak spice on there. Go ahead and add some pepper to it. since I can. Those potatoes are good. I'm gonna slide that over. Let's do that to finish it off. A little bit oily. I know better than that next time. Steak is on point, bud. Thank you guys for tuning in to my first episode of Cast Iron Wednesday. It's been fun. This is really good. A little bit oily though. Thanks for watching. See you guys on the next one.